We'll guide you through how to back up Windows 11 files to a USB flash drive. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a good idea to go and do because then if something happens to your computer, you still got a copy of those files. So to get started, go and connect the drive into your computer in a USB port. You can open up your file explorer and press this PC to the left, and here it is. This is only 8 gigabytes or 7.5 to be precise. Ideally, it's much bigger because then we can back up more files, but we can still do some on here. Press search at the bottom and you want to go and type in control panel. You want to go to the top where it says view by. You want to press large icons like so. Press backup and restore. Now here you're going to go and see the option for setup backup. I'm seeing this here as I've done this before. So what I'll need to do is press change settings, then it'll go and start. Now after you press setup or press change, we'll see this pop up. Choose what you want to go and use, and then we can go and press next. You can then go and choose what you want to go and back up. I like to let me choose, and we can press next. You'll get a pop-up and you can go and select what you want to go and back up. For example, I just want to go and do my documents here. Then we can go and press next, and then you can press save settings and run backup and wait. The backup is now in progress and you can go and wait.